In this video, I'll show you how to automate WhatsApp messages with Zapier for beginners. Zapier helps you connect WhatsApp with other apps, so messages can be sent automatically when something happens. For example, you can send a WhatsApp message when someone fills out a form, places an order, books an appointment, or gets added to your spreadsheet. First, open Zapier and log into your account. From the dashboard, click Create, then choose Zap. This will open the automation builder. Now choose your trigger app. The trigger is what starts the automation. For example, you can choose Google Sheets, Google Forms, Typeform, Shopify, Calendly, or another app. Then select the trigger event, such as a new row, new form response, new order, or new booking. Next, connect your account and test the trigger. Zapier will pull sample data, such as the customer name, phone number, message, or order details. After that, add the action step. Search for WhatsApp. Depending on your setup, you may use WhatsApp Business Cloud or a supported WhatsApp provider available in Zapier. Select the action, such as sending a message or sending a template message. Now connect your WhatsApp business account or provider account. You may need details from Meta Business, such as your phone number ID, business account ID, or access token. Once connected, set up the message. Add the recipient phone number in international format, including the country code. Then write your message or map details from the trigger app, such as the customer name, order number, appointment time, or payment status. Before turning it on, send a test message. Check that the phone number, formatting, and message content are correct. If everything works, publish the Zap and turn it on. From now on, Zapier can send WhatsApp messages automatically whenever your trigger happens. Always follow WhatsApp rules and only message people who agreed to receive updates from you. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.